Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as I said, every Sunday there will be crypto news updates. So of course, we'll start with Bitcoin hitting new all-time high. After that, we have Pump.Fun news as well as GMX big hack news, as well as Justin Sun committing to buy Trump coin. That is a big news, and Nvidia hitting a new big market cap. That could be good for AI tokens. So if you are interested in a specific news, you can just use the time frame below. Anyways, and if you're only interested in Bitcoin's price action, you can just scroll to the end. So let's get started. So starting with the first news, of course it is going to be about GMX. If you don't know what the GMX is, it is one of the biggest perpetual exchange on Arbitrum, and this is how it looks like now. Basically, hacker ended up hacking like 42 million worth of funds from the exchange, as you can see here, and that caused a massive dip in the price of the token. So it went from I think it went from $14 to as low as 11.6, and again it recovered. So the reason for the recovery was that the hacker basically gave the funds back, and he just kept the bounty of 5 million. So most of the funds actually went back, so it was not that big deal. But again, I think this will most likely be a pretty big deal for the GMX itself. There may be users trust may have been lost there, so I think this coin will most likely be in the downtrend for now on, unless they announce something big. But but as of now, I think this will most likely be in the downtrend for some time now. Even if you look at STVL has started to recover again, but it is unclear where the coin will be headed as of now. But they did launch on Solana, so that could be a big point for them as well. But again, this was a massive story last week. So this news is pretty good news for the AI tokens. So basically, if you look here, Nvidia basically ended up hitting 4 trillion market cap, and of course that is going to be a pretty good news for, I would say, for the AI tokens. Now as you can see here, as of now, Nvidia ticker is basically on a new all-time high, as you can see, and I think this could be one of the fuel that could actually push AI tokens in this alt season. It is unclear, we don't know what will happen with the AI tokens, but I think if we are in the alt season, the AI token will most likely perform, and as of now all of them are just in the sideways. So even if you look at Tau, even NEA, even ICP, RNDR, Modenda, even if you look at virtual, all of them are just not that up if you look at other altcoins. So I think there's a high possibility that AI tokens could actually perform because of this. Again, we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. So Pump.Fun had a pretty big and successful sale, as you can see here. And if you don't know what the Pump.Fun is, I did make a video on it, and it is one of the biggest meme coin, you can say, trading platform out there. And they just launched, or basically they are launching their coin, and they held the sale as well, and it sold out in like 12 minutes, as you can see here. And they end up raising $500 million, which is a massive amount, and most of that did happen on their platform, as you can see here, and the rest was on 30 million was on Kraken, and KuCoin got around 16.5, and Gate.io got around 5 million. So this was a massive launch, as you can see here, and the token is if you did take a part in it, you will get it in like 2 to 3 days, and initially they will be non-transferable, but after distribution transfer will be enabled. So we'll have to wait and see when the token comes out, but I think there will be a crazy trading happening around it, and it is going to be a highly volatile token. And I think whoever actually got the tokens could actually make 2x on a launch. Again, we'll have to wait and see what happens. So in another news, we have Justin Sun coming up, and he is committing to buy 100 million in Trump meme coin. he is already a top holder, I believe, with holdings above like $18 million. But again, he is committing to buy 100 million in Trump coin. So this could be big for, I would say, Trump. It could actually easily put a lot of liquidity into the token, and it may actually pump the token. No one knows. But if you look at the Tron, it has been struggling in its TVL department, as you can see here. Its TVL has been struggling. If we look at Ethereum and others, all of them are going up, but Tron has been struggling recently. Anyways, I just wanted to cover this news, so I thought I should add it. So let's have a look at Bitcoin itself. So as you can see here, and I think as you are already aware of that Bitcoin basically ended up hitting new all-time high, and again it just hit a new all-time high again around 119k, which is a massive target, and as of now it's again consolidating. So let's have a look at it and where it can go down from here. I already have analysis here. I will just show you. So this is what my analysis as of now looks like. So if you are a trader and you are basically trading the token or altcoins or anything like that, I think we will enter alt season 2. And if we look at BTC dominancy as of now, let's just try to see that first. So this is the Bitcoin dominancy. As of now, it has started to go down, so that means it is highly likely, or it is possible that we will be soon in the alt season, or we are already in the alt season. So that is going to be pretty good for all of the alt tokens. Anyways, if we talk about the Bitcoin itself, I don't think that Bitcoin will stop anytime soon. I would say as of now it looks like that it actually is trying to go around 124k, and that seems to be, I would say, if you're planning to short the token or short the Bitcoin, you can actually short it around 100. Let me just get a closer look at it. So we have the perfect so let's assume that it ends up hitting this level around 124k. If it does so, I think there's a pretty good short around 124k and 125k. In between that seems to be the pretty good short. Again, you can just put a stop loss, of course. You can also do that, but again, I think as of now it is trying to follow this channel. And if you look here, it has been holding this trend line quite well, as you can see here, and this trend line is also holding quite well. So I think it is possible that we will basically end up hitting 124k or 125k, and it will consolidate for some days. After that it can break out if it wants to, but I think as of now that would be my target if I would want to short it. Anyways, overall the market still seems very strong, and Bitcoin dominance is going down. That is going to benefit all of the alts. But what we want to see a decline like this. If that decline happens, that is going to be a big news for the altcoins, and if that happens, we will most likely see a massive rally across all of the altcoins, I would say. So especially AI tokens could actually go up because of that. I would say Nvidia is rallying as well, and again there is going to be the Pump.Fun token, and I think that will most likely put a lot of liquidity into the altcoins itself. We'll have to wait and see, but I think it will be very interesting next week. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video, and do like and subscribe. I will be back with another news or crypto news video on the next Sunday, hopefully. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.